What's up, my Yoshi? So you're here in the Masked Man. Yeah. We're here at Spring Mill once again, Spring Mill Nature Center. Remember this from yesterday? Oh, let's check in on our snake friends. This is the view. We're going here for canoeing. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, one's over here. There he is. Where's his head? I don't know where his head went. The bigger one, where'd it go? Oh, I see him. He's curled up under the log. It's over there. So yeah, we were just checking on our snake friends. No. So yeah. Where'd we go for canoeing rental?
Over here.
Masked Man, come on. So we're going for canoeing rental now. And where'd we go?
Well, down by the...
Since it's only like one person per canoe, I'm only gonna show video every once in a while.
Well, I don't think you'll think you should put it away.
I know, I'm gonna take breaks every once in a while just to show the...
Because if you can't go moving around inside the canoe.
I'm not going to be.
Because you'll
Well, I was hoping they were kayaks, not canoes. What kind? I don't see any kayaks.
Oh, so apparently Masked Man wants to go with us. Okay, let's go.
Maybe those tan ones are.
If only Yoshi Commander were here with us. Masked Man, do you know where Yoshi Commander went? Yoshi Commander, he's my video partner. So I'll see you guys out on the water. We're here at Kayaking. There's Brayden and Grandpa. There's Grandma. Well, Yoshi Commander. And we're going clear out there. Clear out there. We just started.
Oh wait, where's the Masked Man?
He said he was staying. So I'll see you guys. Okay, so we finally made it out here. Feel like there could be a hole in mine. We don't know. I really hope there's not. Yoshi Commander's back there, along with my grandma and grandpa. Sorry, my hand is in the way. Yes, they are. Very.
Can you get on to the camera?
No, I can't move. Holy crap. I'm getting terrified out here. This might be it for a canoeing video.
Should we go back to the dock and see if he's got a hole in him?
So we'll be back later. Okay, so there's Yoshi Commander. There's my grandma and there's my grandpa. We're all out here. I'm the last in the group because, I mean, my camera's all jacked up-ish. Because it has, like, water is somehow getting in through the back and my pants are getting soaked right now. So that's torture. But I mean, after this, we're gonna go swimming, so that's the only fun part, but that's a fun part. But I mean, this has been fun. Okay, guys, I made it out here. We're all out here. Holy crap, I need to set that down. Oh gosh, that freaks me out. I ran into that, so I set the camera down. But yeah, we're all out here. How much time do we have left?
How much sun?
Time.
We've got about 40 minutes left.
Okay, so see you guys. Okay, now we're going to this buoy right here. Then we're turning back. We had about half an hour left, but me and Yoshi Commander back there aren't really having much fun. So we're gonna head back early. Our grandparents are right there. So I'm getting up there. Same with Commander. He's right behind me, right there. If you guys didn't see him, but yeah. So I'll see you guys back at shore. Peace out. Hey, Commander. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
What about you, Grandma? Did you have a fun time?
Yeah, it was pleasant.
Grandpa, did you have a fun time?
Yes.
I had a fun time too, but I'm tired and dehydrated.
What happened to the masked man?
I don't know. Like, but my pants are so wet right now and I'm so dehydrated. I'm going to the nature cabin. So guys, that was kayaking. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going back to the nature cabin for water. So I'll see you guys back at the inn. I forgot to mention, peace out my Yoshis. Oh, masked man.